So this is the tix homepage at tix.bet, and there's a big red button here called app. That's going to take you to the tix app, funnily enough. Along the top here there's a whole bunch of information about how tix works and things that you can do to optimize your play, and some other bits and pieces as well. If you're new to tix, I definitely recommend looking at this page. There's a little bit of information on here. This video is short, it's a minute and a half, and it explains how the tix software works at the basic level. The only other thing you need to use tix is a tote account. So all of the bets that are displayed on tix are tote bets, multi-race bets like place pots, jackpots, quad pots, a scoop 6, a place pot 7, and an Irish jackpot. So you need a tote account, and you can get one by clicking this link here. That's going to take you to an offer page where you can get some free stuff. If you bet £10, they'll give you some free bets as well. So that's a nice little kicker if you don't have a tote account already. So once you've signed up with your tote account and you've watched this short video, you can get more information on how tix works from this link here. Just a little bit more breakdown. It's basically a more detailed text version of the short video. And then once you're vaguely comfortable with this, it's time to kind of execute. It's time to go and look at the tool, and then all of what you've read and seen will make more sense. So just click this button down here to start creating your tickets. And this is what the tix homepage looks like. So we're going to do a jackpot bet today, and I'm going to record that in a separate video. So that's it for this one. Hopefully you can get your tix account all set up. Remember, you need a tote account. Use the link on tix.bet to get that, and then we'll look at how we play the jackpot.